Hello, beautiful souls. Are you tired of dealing with hair fall nightmares? Well, fret not. In today's video, we're diving into the world of simple home remedies to bid farewell to those persistent hair fall problems. Say goodbye to stress and hello to stronger, healthier locks. Join me on this journey as we unravel easy, natural solutions that your hair will love. Let's get started on the path to gorgeous, luscious hair together. Aloe vera gel treatment. Method: extract fresh aloe vera gel and apply it to your scalp. Benefits: aloe vera contains enzymes that promote a healthy scalp, reducing hair fall and boosting hair growth. Coconut oil massage. Method: warm coconut oil and massage it into your scalp before bedtime. Benefits: nourishes the hair, strengthens follicles, and prevents breakage, reducing hair fall. Onion juice remedy. Method: extract onion juice and apply it to your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes. Benefits: onion juice contains sulfur, which strengthens hair, reduces thinning, and promotes regrowth. Egg and olive oil mask. Method: mix an egg with olive oil, apply to hair, and leave for 30 minutes. Benefits: eggs are rich in protein, promoting hair strength, while olive oil adds moisture and shine. Green tea. Rinse. Method: brew green tea, let it cool, and use it as a final hair rinse. Benefits: green tea contains antioxidants that help reduce hair fall and stimulate hair growth. Fenugreek seed paste. Method: soak fenugreek seeds overnight, grind into a paste, and apply to the scalp. Benefits: fenugreek seeds strengthen hair, prevent breakage, and provide essential nutrients. Hibiscus flower and leaf mask. Method: blend hibiscus flowers and leaves into a paste and apply to hair. Benefits: hibiscus nourishes the hair, prevents premature graying, and reduces hair fall. Yogurt and honey conditioning. Method: mix yogurt with honey and apply as a hair mask. Benefits: yogurt strengthens hair, while honey adds moisture, reducing hair fall and improving texture. Castor oil treatment. Method: massage warm castor oil into the scalp and leave it overnight. Benefits: castor oil promotes blood circulation, strengthens hair, and reduces hair fall. Curry leaf infused oil. Method: heat coconut oil with curry leaves and apply when it cools. Benefits: curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and nutrients, preventing hair fall and promoting a healthier scalp. As you embark on this journey to healthier, happier hair, remember that consistency is key. If you found these home remedies helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more hair care.